Hey guys, how to download Among Us on PC? Want to play Among Us on your PC but don't know where to download it? Many players get confused between websites and platforms. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install Among Us on your PC safely and easily. Stay tuned and let's get started. First of all, you have to open Steam. The link is in the description. Open it from here. And click the top Install Steam. And again click the Install Steam. Steam downloading will start it. Please wait. Once the Steam download is complete, open the download folder on your laptop. And this is Steam Setup. Double click and install from here, but my laptop is already installed. After installing, open it and create an account. After that, search Among Us in the Steam and click the Among Us. And scroll down, click Add to Cart. And click View My Card. And click on Continue Payment here and submit the payment here, and your game will be added to the library. Click on the library above. Your game will be added here and click on this game here and install it from here. This is the complete method of installing the Among Us. If you have any difficulty, please comment.